using a flash to add contrast and enhance beauty. In this video, I'll show you how to photograph with a mixture of flash and natural light in a wonderful antique setting. Today, we'll be photographing in this wonderful set with antiques and dry flowers. There's natural light coming from the right window. First, we try photographing with only the natural light. It looks soft, but it's dark and lacks sharpness. So let's try aiming the flash at the subject diagonally from the front. I am using Godox 8200 again. With a direct light, it's harsh and the subject ends up looking flat. Moreover, it's created harsh shadows which ruin the image of this lovely set. Next, we attach the Godox QRP70 softbox to the flash. At 70 cm in diameter, the QRP70 is a small circular softbox that makes a beautiful light. After aiming the softbox directly at the subject, the shadows have become softer, but it looks obvious and doesn't match this antique set. This time, we try taking a photo with the softbox placed outside of the window. The natural light and the flashlight axis are the same, so there is a hard light in the soft light, which naturally makes the subject stand out and look more contrast. It's a very lovely photograph. When the natural light is lacking, it's good to use a softbox with a similar optical axis to add contrast to your photos.